Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make bullet point. So I already prepared a thing that you can see this is already blue bullet points made sentences. So you can do it by this like this. So I will show you how to do like this. So first you need to click on here bullets. So you can choose any clicking on drop down, like I choose this, then I writing any random number 1 to 3, then clicking enter. You can see already adding bullet points, clicking enter button. So this is the way you can make bullet points in MS Word 2016. So I hope you understand it, and this is for today.